We're going to make the airplane. Blow up the body of the airplane balloon to about, again, good 4-finger tail. About like that. Okay. And this is because the body uses a lot of things. It's good when you give the balloon a stretch ahead of time. So you just grab it and you pull it like that, and that'll make it longer without pulling up the tail. Okay? Do the little tulip end on it. Okay. Pull it, give it a good twist, and then make sure you push that balloon up and back into it so it locks it in place. Okay? And you do like maybe a bubble just a little bit bigger than that. And now we're going to build the front wings. So it's about 3-4 inches there, about 1 hand width. And then again on the other side, 2 flower petals that is. Okay, straighten it out. And this is what we have so far. Okay, the propellers go here, these are the wings. Okay, little room for the body of the plane here. And now we're going to build the tail section. We'll do a little bit smaller bubbles, maybe 3 fingers. 3 fingers on the other side. And then the tail. If this ends up very long like this did, you can just go ahead and fold this one over to the upper tail. If it ends up in short, then you can just leave it short. So it depends how you work with it. Okay? There's the body of the plane. Set that aside. Next we'll do the propellers. Pull it up again about the same length. About like that. About 4 fingers. Okay. Do some more flower petals. A little bit wider than my hand. About the size I did. Make sure you lock that nozzle. Lock the nozzle. And then do 2 more of the same size. And I just match it like that. Lock it in place. And then the third one. Okay. Get rid of the excess. And just by wrapping it around real good. And then cut off any excess from it. Okay. Now we're going to take the center of the propellers and lock it into here. Just by going. See how I pushed them in? And you could probably go ahead and just twist the propeller around one of them just to make sure it stays locked. It doesn't come apart. Straighten it all out. And there we have an airplane.